Consider stopping breakfast altogether. What if all the meal timing advice is actually upside down? For years, we have been taught that breakfast is the most crucial meal. We were warned that skipping meals harms our metabolism. We've been led to believe that eating 6 small meals boosts fat burning. Yet, what if true health depends on eating less frequently instead? The reality: intermittent fasting isn't just a diet. It's an eating pattern that alternates between eating periods and fasting. This approach has existed for millennia, not merely as a weight loss fad but as a lifestyle. Here's what occurs in your body during a fast. After around 12 hours without food, insulin levels plummet. This change triggers your body to shift from burning sugar to using stored fat for energy. Most modern humans never experience this metabolic switch, unlike our ancestors. The science: consistently eating means your body remains busy digesting and managing blood sugar. Insulin levels remain high, leading to cell resistance and more fat storage. But fasting alters this dynamic. Human growth hormone levels may surge up to 5 times. This hormone is vital for fat loss and muscle development. Cells start autophagy, a process where they clear away damaged proteins. It's like your body's internal recycling system, eliminating cellular waste and repairing itself. Your brain creates more brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports new brain cell growth and protects existing ones. Research indicates this could lower Alzheimer's risk and enhance mental clarity. The benefits: weight loss becomes more manageable since you're consuming fewer meals, creating a natural calorie deficit without strict counting. Your metabolism remains active, unlike in traditional diets. Short-term fasting can even boost your metabolic rate by up to 14%. Inflammation levels drop throughout your body, which is significant since chronic inflammation links to many modern diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. Cells regain insulin sensitivity, improving blood sugar control and substantially lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. The methods: the most well-known method is the 16-8 approach. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. If dinner ends at 8 p.m., skip breakfast and eat your first meal at noon the next day. Others might use the 5-2 method, maintaining normal eating for 5 days and cutting calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Some people fast every other day or even engage in 24-hour fasts once or twice weekly. Truth they don't tell you: intermittent fasting isn't a miraculous solution, and it might not suit everyone. Pregnant individuals, those with specific medical issues, and individuals with a history of eating disorders should steer clear. The initial days might be tough. You could experience hunger, irritability, or low energy levels as your body adjusts to burning fat instead of sugar. Coffee and tea without sugar or cream can help during fasting periods. Importantly, intermittent fasting does not allow junk food binges during eating times. To achieve real results, it's essential to consume nutritious, whole foods. The bigger picture: intermittent fasting's effectiveness isn't due to some groundbreaking discovery. It works because it reflects how humans naturally ate for ages. Our ancestors didn't have constantly available food or sit down for 3 meals plus snacks daily. Constant availability of food is the experiment. Intermittent fasting represents a return to our natural state. Your body functions well in both fed and fasted conditions. The question isn't if you should try intermittent fasting. It's whether you're ready to rethink what you've learned about meal timing. Sometimes, the truth lies not in eating more often but in allowing your body the break it truly needs.